Hi guys, welcome to your class, and today's our topic is the adverb. So let us start. Actually, an adverb is that part of speech that modifies everything except noun, pronoun and interjection. Now let us see how meaningful the definition is. Let us see the first example. She writes correctly. Okay, here she is a pronoun, writes is a verb, and correctly is a word which describes right. Okay, that how does she write? She writes correctly. So next sentence is Sandeep is a very good boy. Sandeep is a noun, boy is also a noun, good is an adjective. Okay, is a helping verb, and here very is a word which describes how good. Okay, that very good means how good the boy is doing. You run very quickly. You is a pronoun, okay, and run is a verb, okay, and quickly is an adverb. Okay, quickly is an adverb. Now, because why it is a quickly is an adverb? Because see, run, how he runs, how you run, how do you run? Quickly. So that's why this word describes run, but this describes quickly. Okay, so let me clarify it for you. She writes correctly. This correctly is describing a verb. Sandeep is very good boy. Here this very is describing an adjective. Here you run very quickly. Quickly is already an adverb. So very is describing an adverb. See, verb, adjective and adverb. Next, the aeroplane flew just over the tree. See, tree is a noun. Okay, the tree the is a determiner, and just over is a preposition, and just over here this word is telling us, means this is telling us, this is describing this over, that just over, quite over. Okay, so this just is an adverb which is describing this over. Over is a preposition. So you can see an adverb can be described, an adjective can be described, a verb can be described, an adjective can be described by an adverb itself can be described by an adverb. Okay, and here a preposition can be described by an adverb. Next sentence is he died just after his mother had gone. See, after here is not a preposition. After here is a conjunction. Okay, here this after is joining. He died and his mother had gone. Okay, these two sentences have been connected by this after. This is a conjunction. This is not a preposition, and this is a word which is describing after, just after. Okay, just after. So this is an adverb which is describing a conjunction. So I hope this definition is quite clear to you, that an adverb is that part of speech that modifies everything, means every part of speech except these three part of speech: noun, pronoun and interjection. Because see, verb, an adjective, an adverb, a preposition and a conjunction. Total there are 8 parts of speech, and except these 3 it can describe 5 part of speech. So let us talk about the kinds of adverb. How many kinds of adverbs are here with us? First is simple adverb, second is relative adverb, and third is interrogative adverb. So let us understand first simple adverb and its kinds. There are further kinds of simple adverb. I shall go tomorrow. I shall go tomorrow. He will come today. These two words are telling us about time. So these adverbs are adverbs of time. See, go is a verb and come is also a verb. And this tomorrow and today are describing these two words. Okay, when will come? When shall I come? Tomorrow. When shall I go? Tomorrow. When will he come? Will come today. So these two words are describing these two words describing these two verbs. That's why these are adverbs, and these are adverbs of time. Next, Sohan will come here. So come is come is a verb, and here this word is describing Sohan will come. So see, this adverb of time gives us the answer of when. Okay, but if I talk about it, where will Sohan come? Go out. Where? Out. So here this kind of adverb gives us the answer of where. So it is called an adverb of place. Here out and here are the adverbs of place. Next, our next is Mohan did it twice. Mohan did it twice. How often? How often? It gives us the answer of how often. How often? Twice. Always speak the truth. How often? Always. So these are the adverbs of number. Okay. Next is the child slept soundly. The child slept soundly. The child slept, and this gives us the answer of how? Soundly. The boy works hard. Works how? Hard. So this kind of adverb is called adverb of manner. Okay. So, and it gives the answer of how. Next is the day is very hot. Hot is an adjective, and here this word very is describing hot. Okay, and this gives us an answer extent. In extent, how much? Okay, you are quite wrong. You are quite wrong. This quite is describing wrong. That how wrong? Okay, how much wrong? Quite wrong. So this gives us the answer of how much, at extent, at a degree. Okay. So next is I certainly went there. Certainly. Surely you are right. Surely. These are the words which are telling us our affirmation. Okay. That हाँ भर रहे हो आप. So how much? Okay, means certainly, surely. Okay, these words tell us about affirmation. Okay, so these adverbs are adverb of affirmation. Come to the next. I do not know. I never said. So these adverbs are adverbs of negation. Adverbs of negation. So these all are kinds of simple adverbs. Okay. Now let us talk about relative adverbs. Relative adverbs. What is the function of relative adverb? A relative adverb joins two sentences. Okay. See, I know the time. He will come here. These two are different sentences. These two are two sentences. But these are joined by when. So adverb. Relative adverbs, what is the function of relative adverb? This relative adverb always come between the sentence, complete sentence, and it join two different sentences. In the same way, tell me the place, and he was born. And these two sentences are connected with where? WH words. When these WH words come between the sentence, okay, and these relate to sentences, those adverbs are called adverb of, and those are called relative adverb. Next is, do you know the reason? This is a sentence, and he came here. This is a sentence, and these two sentences are joined by why. So I hope you have understood the function of a relative adverb. Okay. Come to next now. Interrogative adverb. Where are you going? Why are you sad? When will you go to Agra? How did he pass? All these WH words are interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used for forming questions. Okay. So, I hope guys your adverb is clear, and still if you have any problem in comment section you can ask your queries. Thank you.